Let's talk for a bit about stairs. If you have a post-1950s house, there's a strong chance your stair situation is in great shape. If you have the honors of an older home, you may have some issues. I once had a mechanical arts instructor that introduced me to drafting and other lifetime skills. He often said that if he were marooned on an island, the one thing he would want with him was the architectural graphic standards. This wouldn't exactly be my pick, but it did leave an impression. This kind of reference, which is often called the architect's Bible, does come in handy for stairs, railings, etc. Our reference section gives some links, plus some less involved alternatives. A fraction of an inch may not seem like a lot, but when it comes to stairs and railings, it can be huge, especially if there's an inspector involved. I could tell you a totally crazy stair story, but I'll save it for another time. The point is, if you're doing major changes, you may want to check on local codes. There are also times, especially on older homes, when there are simply limitations that prevent a very functional end result. Generally, it's to a basement, but sometimes stairs going to the bedrooms can limit newer furniture being brought in. Unfortunate, especially if you didn't realize it until you're trying to move in. This will also support the design role of good inspectors. In our 100-year-old farmhouse, I was stuck with a staircase that entered a far-end upstairs bedroom. I thought I was stuck with it until a mentor suggested I explore the possibility of reversing the L-shaped staircase. That light bulb idea worked and totally transformed both the upstairs and the main floor plan for the better. The takeaway on this is that sometimes there are options, but they may require thinking out of the box. Often the simple addition of a stair runner or eliminating some squeaks will make your stairs feel a lot better. Sometimes simply adding a solid or safe handrail can be a great improvement. We have passed on several homes where other things were well done, but a bum staircase nixed the deal. Pull-down stairs are sometimes options that can generate some creative storage areas or at least access in an attic or a garage. The bottom line is, look at the available space, including heights, widths, etc. Look at the functional needs, gather some creative minds, and you might just come up with some creative solutions. Remember, we're pulling for you.
I encourage you to become a member. At $30 a year, it's one of the best investments you'll make, and it includes a 6-month money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Put all of our resources at your fingertips in less time than it takes to make a peanut butter sandwich. You'll be glad you did. For your information, we also believe in good causes, and as such, a portion of each membership goes to World Vision to help provide safe drinking wells to those less advantaged around the world.